Hey everyone, in this super short video I'm going to show you how to quickly create QR codes in Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. Let's get started. While I'm doing this video in PowerPoint, the process is exactly the same in Excel or Word. I have a sample PowerPoint slide that I may use at the end of a presentation. However, the link to my YouTube channel is quite messy and hard for viewers to type in or even remember. However, if I used a QR code, anyone at one of my presentations could easily point their phone at the QR code and easily access my YouTube channel. Unfortunately, the ability to make QR codes isn't built into Microsoft Office products. However, it's easy to install an add-in from the Microsoft Store. But don't worry, the download is free. To begin, I'll go to Insert, and then choose Get Add-ins. I will then enter QR in the search, and the first result, QR for Office, is the one we want. I'll click Add, and then it will ask me to agree with the terms and conditions. I'll click Continue. Now it appears on the right side of my display. Now to insert a QR code onto my PowerPoint slide. I will copy my YouTube channel address using Ctrl+C to copy. The first drop-down gives me the options for types of QR codes. For this purpose, I'll select Website, HTTPS. And then I'll paste in my channel address using Ctrl+V. I don't need the HTTPS, so I'll delete it. Now I can select the colors. The black and white is fine with me. Next, I'll adjust the error correction to high. And now I'll select the size of the QR code. And finally, I'll insert it into my slide. Now I've got a QR code that will make it easier for my audience to go to my website. And it's the exact same process to do this in Microsoft Excel or Word. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about Excel, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification icon to be notified when I release new videos. Thanks again and have an excellent day.